How to download Netflix. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Netflix so you can stream movies and series that you like. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First thing that you'll need to do is open up your App Store. And on your App Store, head over to the search section and search for Netflix. Then hit enter, and from there you should find Netflix. It's right here. Tap on Netflix, and right here instead of this cloud icon, you should see an install button. Simply tap on it and confirm the installation. After that, it can take some time to download depending on your internet speed. So just wait, and after the download completes, you're good to go. And that's how you download Netflix on your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.